With law enforcement in parts of the Denver metro area deciding not to issue citations for fireworks, that shifts the burden onto firefighters. It's up to firefighters to plead with people not to set things on fire, and then it's up to firefighters to save homes and lives when their warnings are inevitably ignored. Coloradans sure like to talk about respecting and honoring firefighters. What we saw specifically in Aurora last night, though, was pretty depraved. People were setting off fireworks around firefighters as they battled to contain a wildfire before it could reach homes. The flames and the smoke plume were quite visible in the neighborhood, so there's no excuse saying, well, people didn't know their neighborhood was on fire at the time. And you can bet that firefighters saw and heard that disrespect while they were out there trying to save lives and property. Shooting fireworks off over the heads of firefighters while they're trying to save a neighborhood from burning is a pretty perfect example of a perverse vision of what American freedom means, valuing the pursuit of your own happiness over the lives of firefighters and your neighbors. That's not being an American, that is being a child in a grown-up's body. And firing off fresh fireworks once a fire's already burning nearby is waving a flag of stupidity for all the rest of us to see. To the firefighters' credit, they did not take notes on which people's homes deserved saving last night. They worked to protect them all. I'm pretty sure that people who launch fireworks right next to firefighters already working a wildfire are people who are incapable of feeling shame. So I'll express it on their behalf. To the firefighters and dispatchers who were working so hard last night, thank you. Our apologies for the Coloradans who put on a display of ignorance while you all were working the 4th of July.